everyone. We are here to interview an owner of Sari Sari store. I am Kisha Kapulong and you are?
Marisol.
Miss Marisol, how are you today? How did you come up with this idea?
I came up with this idea because I want to earn extra money for our youth and to save for the future.
What do you have to consider in choosing the location for your business?
It is in a place where lots of people are passing by and it is near the school area.
Who has been your greatest inspiration?
My parents, because they are also entrepreneur and I want to help them financially.
How do you keep your clients loyal to you?
By giving them a good service and by being honest and polite to them.
How many hours do you work a day on average?
More or less 14 hours a day.
How does being an entrepreneur affect your family life?
It does affect our family life because we are earning enough for us and we can buy things that we want or we need.
How do you generate new ideas?
We keep on thinking what are the other products they need.
How do you define success?
Success is when I meet my goals and knowing that I'm helping my family.
In one word, characterize your life as an entrepreneur.
Patient. Because in this type of business, you need to be patient enough to deal with problems that you might encounter.
What 3 pieces of advice would you give to students who want to become an entrepreneur?
First, students who want to become an entrepreneur must plan and earn enough budget to start the business. And second, look for a location that will be fit for your planned business. And third, do your best to make it successful. That's it.
Thank you, Miss Marisol, for sharing your ideas and experiences. I hope your business will be more successful. Again, I am your host, Kisha Kapulong. Thank you and God bless.